Today, I am going to teach you how you can use DeepSeek to write movie scripts in seconds. So let's go straight to the video and tutorial. So if you don't have DeepSeek in your phone, you download it from Play Store. I've already downloaded it. So you click on DeepSeek. When you click on DeepSeek, okay, take this advice. Whatsoever thing you want to do on DeepSeek or any other AI, you should be king. You should master what you are doing. Okay, so you should know details of what you are doing, so that whatsoever thing they give, if it doesn't tie with what you are looking for, you can always tweak it so that it matches what you are looking for. Okay, so today we want to do a movie script using DeepSeek. Now I will come to DeepSeek. I type what I want. Okay, I've already typed it, so I'll just paste. Okay, I'll just paste and maybe read. So this is what I type. Write 1 hour movie script using the following idea. A man got married to his wife. They have been making love for some time. The man later on start cheating on his wife. When the man cheats and comes back, he doesn't want to make love with the wife. So the script is longer. The command I'm giving is longer. This is it that I type. When you type like this, you can click on search, but for now I just click on deep think. Okay. When you do that, you click send. Okay, so DeepSeek is working. In just seconds, it will give you the script. So my network is a bit slow. Okay, thinking is working now. You can see how it's working. It's working, it's thinking, it's thinking, it's still thinking, it's coming out with everything. So let's just wait a bit and see what they will write. Okay, that's giving something like the characters. Uh, it's thinking, it's thinking, 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 thinking. Just wait a bit. So if you are into movies, if you are a movie director or filmmaker, you understand the script is going to give. Okay, this is it. That started writing the script. Okay, this is it. My God, everything, the location, everything is coming out, and that's even giving it more detail, and it's flowing very well. Even the moral lesson is there. So this is the script that they have written. You can copy it now. You paste, and from there you know what to do. You can equally use this script to generate video with AI. Okay, but this is it. Let me see the title. The Fall. Well, that is this intro. David and Lena's home, living room, flashback. Soft music plays. David, charming but restless, and Lena, late 20, compassion. Slow distance at the wedding reception. The laugh radiating love. Okay, yes. So this is how you can use DeepSeek to generate movie or film scripts in seconds. Thank you for watching.